guys doing? It's the Boss Star One back with another one. And today I'm gonna be showing you guys a little video of me doing the clay and lay method. So I think this will be a good woofing product. But anyway, I'm gonna basically read what this product does and everything on the back and everything, just in case you guys are wanting to try it out. It says Indian bentonite clay is a powerful cleansing mineral, a combination of montmorillonite. I don't know, guys. You look up this word. It's a big word. Just look it up, cause I'm struggling. But and volcanic ash. Indian bentonite clay is highly absorbent, pulling oil and impurities from skin and hair. So, pulling oil from skin and hair. I mean, my hair is already kind of dry as it is, so I guess we're gonna see how that works out for my hair. And impurities from skin and hair. I mean, I guess it could be good for skin if you have oily skin, because I know some people, you know, they battle with like oily skin and stuff, so I believe that'd be good if you like have oily skin. But as far as hair, I don't know, but we're gonna find out. I mixed my aloe vera juice and my bentonite clay, and I'll link both of these down below in the description also. It says in the how to use, do not use metal spoon. You guys do not use a metal spoon, and that's why I used a wooden, I forgot what this is called. I forgot, but you guys know what this is. I don't know, I forgot. Popsicle stick, I guess, whatever, I don't know. Do not use metal spoon or container. Mixed 2 tablespoons of clay with a little warm water. But I did it my own way. And yeah, let's just get to it. And it says once you have it in there, keep it on for 15 and 20 minutes. So let's get to it. And when I do it, I'm gonna leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes just to see the after results of how it works on my hair. And I'm not gonna soak my hair in any water, so I got my spray bottle right here, so I have to keep getting up. But I'm just gonna apply some water in my hair right now, and then after that we'll apply the bentonite clay. Alright, so now that I've got my hair pretty good and wet, I'm going to apply the bentonite clay in my hair, and we're going to see how it works out. So, we'll just get a little bit like that. It's kind of snotty. This probably be the thumbnail. Okay, so let's apply it in our hair. It feels really slick. That's the feeling of it, the texture. This is my first time trying out this product, so we're gonna see how it works. And another thing, I heard that this product is good for when you're woofing and stuff. That's why I'm calling it the clay and lay method. And I haven't had a haircut in like 2 weeks. I think I cut my hair like about 2 Saturdays ago. Today is Friday, so it's been about almost 2 weeks. Tomorrow will be 2 weeks, I believe. I think a couple Saturdays ago is when I cut my hair. Can't remember exactly. But my hair's been growing for 2 weeks. So I think I'll go on a little mild woof session. Probably cut my hair sometime this week. I don't really know for sure yet. It's just hard for me to woof because those rough stages, I'm telling you. It's tough walking around. Unless you have a job where you can wear your do-rag, which unfortunately right now I don't. So maybe if I could wear my do-rag everywhere, it wouldn't be so much of a problem. But it's been 2 weeks, so a little woof session. Nothing too crazy, not no 3-month woof session or anything. I've seen some people go for like 3-4 months. I know that's tough. So you guys link below how tough that is going on those super long woof sessions. Those things gotta be tough. I know you feel like a new man once you get that haircut. But anyway, let's I'm gonna use all this up. And like I said, once I get all this in there, it says leave it in there for 15 to 20 minutes. And also I have my plastic bag with me too, because I want my hair to be really good and laid after I use this stuff. Because I know it's supposed to harden, at least from what I've seen from when my wife used it. When she uses it for her face and stuff, it hardens on your face. And then after that, you know, you can rinse it off and it makes your face really smooth afterwards. I'm just not sure how it works on hair. But I will let you guys know when I'm done. What do you guys think so far? How my waves look too? You guys rate my waves again. Let me know in the comments how they look. I don't know if you can see them very good with all this stuff in my hair. A little bit. Like I said, if you guys are new to my channel too, I don't know if you guys know, I'm gonna keep throwing that out there. I upload wave videos Mondays and Thursdays, and on the weekends I do streaming on gaming and stuff like that. And also I'm trying to come out with some shirt designs right now, so you guys stay tuned for those too. And once I get those shirt designs out, I'll be linking it in the description just in case you guys are interested in buying a shirt. So hopefully I can come up with some pretty cool designs for you guys. Just trying to get better with, you know, my content and, you know, getting stuff out there for you guys, new videos and stuff, and staying consistent also, because I know you guys want to see consistency. If you're gonna follow me, I know it's my job to try to stay consistent as much as possible. Ooh, so that's definitely, hair is feeling a little funny right now. It's definitely laying down though. Your boy could use a lining, I'll tell you that much. Man, and there's still more left. Probably don't really need all this. I'll just use a little bit more and then I'll be done. Okay, so this is the last of it right here, so I'm just gonna get a big wig of that. Just slide it across my head. Back. And my last step is gonna be me using this plastic bag. Man, gosh. You know another thing I'm wondering? This being my first time using this stuff, I'm really hoping this stuff isn't hard to rinse out my hair. That's another thing that I'm wondering about. Because right now it feels like I just dumped a bunch of concrete on my head or something. Even though I don't know what that would be like, but that's the only thing I could think of, so. Okay, so I'm going to use my plastic bag now. As you guys can see, I have my plastic bag, and it doesn't really matter what kind of bag you guys use. I've seen people use the grocery bags. You know, if you want to get those big Kroger bags, Walmart bags, whatever, it doesn't matter. Or you can go to the dollar store or anywhere to get you a little Ziploc bag like this. Doesn't really matter. So now I'm going to use my plastic bag and try to get it as late as possible. You know, already by me doing this, I can definitely see why this would be a good woofing product. The only thing is, when you rinse it out, I'm just wondering will your hair be as late as it is now? Because right now, I'm not gonna lie to you, my hair is definitely. I can't talk right now. Definitely. Okay, there we go. Whew, I'm struggling. But my hair is definitely laid down right now. Man, kind of look like a dog or something when they get out of the tub. How they look all rough or wet look. I feel like that right now. Or it looks like an iron shirt when you iron a shirt and it's super laid down. No wrinkles. Man. Get that out of my head. Anyway, and like I said, you guys don't forget, I will be linking all the stuff that I'm using down below in the comment section, or not the comment section, but the description box, if you guys are interested in getting any of this stuff. And I'm gonna let this, I'll be back. I'm going to let this stuff sit in my hair for a good 15 minutes, and then I'll come back and show you guys the after results. And you guys just tell me what you think and whether you think it's worth the buy. I'll let you guys know my opinion on it, and you guys just let me know whether you think it's worth the buy or not. Or if you've already tried it, tell me your experience on using it. But alright you guys, I'll be back. Alright you guys, so I'm back. I haven't rinsed it out yet, but it's been 15 minutes. And right now, I ain't gonna lie you guys. This stuff is definitely hardening on my head. And it kind of feels like, I don't really know what to compare this to, but it feels like a rocket ready to like blow or something. But I don't know what a good analogy was to use, but it just feels really tight on my head, like tight, you know, like, I don't know. But we're gonna see how it is once I rinse it out of my hair, and then I'll be back, you guys, to let you know how my hair feels, see if it feels any differently or anything. Hopefully it feels softer or something, you know, just something good, just hopefully a good result. But I'll be back once I'm done, so I'll be back. All right, you guys, so I'm back, and this is the after results. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know if it looked any differently before I put it in my hair, but I mean, if I could be honest with you guys, I feel like my hair is pretty good and laid right now. It's it actually is soft. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It's softer than it was before I put the stuff in my hair, so that's a good thing. And like I said, I mean, I read the directions, what it was supposed to do. Like I said, it says powerhouse cleaning mineral, a combination of Montreux. I'm gonna try to pronounce this one. Illenite, I don't know. And volcanic ash. Indian bentonite clay is highly absorbent, pulling oil and impurities from skin and hair. So it's saying that it pulls oil from your skin and your hair, but I mean, my hair doesn't feel dry right now. I mean, I guess I won't know because it's not like I just washed it out, so it's wet. But like I said, like, I really do feel like this would be a good woofing product. Like, if you're woofing and you just really want to get that lay on your hair, I would say this would be a good thing to use, you know. And like, you don't have to use shampoo. I believe you can use this as a cleanser. Like, instead of using shampoo, you can use this stuff. Then afterwards, you could still use your conditioner, but don't I wouldn't use shampoo if you're woofing. I mean, this will be a good substitute for your shampoo or whatever. Just use this to clean your hair out. Cause my hair really does feel clean right now too. I mean, I never really let it get dirty anyway. I always try to keep my hair pretty clean. The only thing I get at times is like dry scalp. I'll get dandruff every blue moon or something like that. But I mean, my hair feels really soft right now, honestly. So, I mean, if you guys like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And like I said, once again for the third time, I will link all this stuff down below in the description box. Just in case you guys are wanting to buy it, I'll link this. I'll link the aloe vera juice and everything down below. So, and you guys just stay tuned for my next video. I think my next video I'll be doing is how to comb your 360 waves video. So stay tuned for that video. But God bless you guys, and I'm out.